Hello everyone, our paper is about how to interpret machine knowledge. First, I would like to introduce what's knowledge and what's machine knowledge. The general definition of knowledge is the law of phenomenal change. In the field of artificial intelligence, an intelligent agent, for example a machine learning model, can change the output from the input or adjust the next output based on the previous output. The law of change between the input and output is a law of change of the phenomenon, so it belongs to knowledge, and we define it as machine knowledge. Machine knowledge can be divided into three categories. The first category is primary knowledge, which is just the data sets of the input and output. For example, a table contains all pairs of the input and output. However, the knowledge that people needed is often not this primary form, but the phenomenal summarization behind the observed data by analyzing the relation between input and output, including correlation and causation. A classical example for correlation is the Pearson coefficients between the input and output, while the causation refers to the true underlying function between input and output. Causality and causation play an important role in human science system, since humans always lack and persistently pursue the why behind the phenomenal change. In this paper, we focus on the question of whether people can and how to obtain causal knowledge from intelligence agents. This process is to interpret machine knowledge. By training with abundant training data, AI models can complete very complicated work, and some of their achievements have exceeded the ability of human beings. But we still do not know how these AI models became so successful. Hence, we need to interpret those machine knowledges. Through the analysis of some research methods in the field of physical and artificial intelligence, we propose some principles and models for interpreting machine knowledge, including simplest description principle and the functional similarity principle. The simplest description principle refers to that there is nothing more telling the natural things than those who are both true and sufficient to explain the phenomenon. Functional similarity principle refers to that for the same natural phenomenon, we must find the same reason as much as possible. At the same time, some specific methods, including the automation of the interpretation process and the local linearization, are also discussed in our paper for interpreting machine knowledge. For more details, please kindly find our paper, How to Interpret Machine Knowledge. Thanks.